Do you speak English?
Little.
I have content on TikTok about English. You wanna try? Or
Okay.
okay, thank you. Where are you from?
From Bandung.
Bandung.
I'm from Tasikmalaya.
Because you are from Tasikmalaya. Are you in your holiday here?
No, I'm in college.
Oh, a college. Oh, okay. So, what major do you take?
Communication.
Communication. Okay, so you are a classmate.
Yes.
In what year are you? I mean, your first year or second year?
Second year.
Second.
year. Yeah.
So, what do you feel about your major?
I can't describe it
It is
in
interesting.
words, but yeah, I feel enjoy with this major because
Okay.
it's my passion.
This is your passion or your dream major?
Maybe it's my dream major. Yeah.
Okay. So, how about you?
My passion.
How about the interesting subject in the class? What is your interesting subject? What's the name of the subject?
So far, nothing.
You don't have a favorite subject?
I like English so much.
Oh,
Yeah.
you have English as well?
Yeah, in my major, there is a subject English.
Okay, so it is your favorite.
Yeah.
Okay, how about you? Do you love English as well?
No.
Not really.
Not really.
Okay.
I like business communication.
What is your dream job?
My dream job.
What do you want to be in the future?
What I want to be in the future, maybe I want to be like a reporter.
Oh, reporter. In a television or radio?
Radio.
Radio. You want to know? I was working in a radio as well. Yes. As penyiar, you know. As radio announcer, you want to be a reporter.
Yeah. I want to be a reporter.
Oh, okay. I hope you can get
Amin.
your dream
Thank you.
job.
Amin.
Okay?
Amin.
So, how about you? What is your dream job?
My dream job is businessman.
Businesswoman.
Yes.
In what kind of business?
K-pop, merch kayak gitu.
What is that?
Merchandise.
Merchandise, but in K-pop.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. So, what is your favorite band?
I like NCT, BTS.
And are you a K-pop lover as well?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite?
NCT.
Oh,
Same.
okay,
We have
okay.
same taste.
Because you are as a best friend, I think.
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Because you are from Bandung and then you are from Tasikmalaya. In where do you live?
What is in the English course?
We can say it kos-kosan. Okay. a rent room. Okay, I'm not sure about it.
Okay.
Just
Wait.
kos-kosan.
Kos-kosan. Okay. My course with her house. Maybe it take 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Oh, it is quite far.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not that close. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I haven't asked about your name. What's your name?
My name is Haya.
Haya.
Yeah.
Oh, it is a cute name. How about you? How about you?
My name is Janna.
Janna and Haya.
Yeah.
It sounds like Arabic name. Is that an Arabic?
Yes. Jannatun.
Oh, Jannatun. And how about you? Is that an Arabic name? Or
My
not sure?
parents say Haya is from Mesir.
Oh, Egypt.
And
And Egypt speak Arabic as well, you know. Maybe it's kind of Arabic, right?
And my parents say your name means is Putri.
Oh, a princess. Wow, I'm so proud of you. Oh, thank you so much, Haya and Janna, for the time. And do you mind if I upload our conversation on my TikTok? I have English on the street.
I ever watch your content in TikTok, but I go to
You don't
I want to meet you.
Oh my God! And then we meet now. Okay, I'm so happy.
I want to try my English skill because I feel I can speak English well.
But your English is well, so you don't have to worry about it. Thank you so much, Haya and Janna, for the time. Enjoy Braga, okay? Bye bye.